Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer by training, and in today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through what's new on our new website, gaugegirltraining.com, so you can determine which program is right for you. So let's get started. We offer a wide variety of programs depending on your goals as well as your budget. Now, if you're just getting to know us, please follow us over on Instagram at gaugegirl Training or check out our client success story page at GGT_transformations. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the different offerings on gaugegirltraining.com. So you can break it down into two main programs. A DIY program, which is a do-it-yourself program, which is an automatic download, versus a customized program. So I'm going to walk you guys through what our most popular programs are in the do-it-yourself category, who it's for, as well as what the customized programs look like. So if you check out our website, we just updated it recently. There is a search function at the very top where you can type in anything for easier navigation. You can check out your shopping cart, you can save it to check out at a later time. But the first program I want to walk you guys through is the 6-week shred programs. So the 6-week shred is a do-it-yourself program. That means it's an automatic download. There are two types of 6-week shred programs. Our first generation 6-week shred programs are 42-day programs. So what that means is there is a new menu for every single day of the shred. Now, the way the program is intended to work, the 6-week shred is a program for people who have about 25 pounds or less to lose, or it's ideal for those who are looking to jumpstart a much longer term fat loss journey. Now, with the shred, it is our most aggressive program. It's for those of you who need guidance to get from point A to point B. If you do not want to be in a caloric deficit, it is a meal plan only. If you do train aggressively, this program is most likely not for you. It is a shred. So let me repeat, a shred is something that is intended to help you aggressively drop body fat. It's not necessarily a lifestyle plan, although we have a lot of great recipes and menus that will support that. So there are two versions of the shred. The original shred's 42 days long. It's available in a lot of different things. That program is $149.99, and it's priced that way because it has a lot of menus, grocery lists, and substitution charts. New and improved shred program is called the 6-week budget shred. That program is only $39.99. The macros are the same between the two programs. The difference between the two is the number of menus. So with the budget shreds, you are receiving 12 menus, and not only are you getting 12 menus, the grocery items on this program have been intentionally selected to be budget conscious. So for those of you who do not have a lot of money and you cannot be buying pounds and pounds of shrimp and salmon and high-end ingredients, this is going to be more your speed. It has things like ground beef, it has things like chicken thighs, it has things that are just easier on the wallet. Now, the shred is a great program if you just want to jump start and get going. It's available in original, paleo, vegetarian, keto, and dairy-free keto. We are adding a new vegan budget shred that will be out this fall. So for the original 6-week shred programs, that's available in original, vegan, vegetarian, Asian, Latin, keto, and summer. And it's also available for men. So those are the shred programs. The next program I want to highlight and feature is the Prep Sweat Slay program. Prep Sweat Slay is a 21-day program. This is a gentler program than the 6-week shred. When I say gentler, I mean the rate of fat loss is going to be less aggressive. Prep Sweat Slay is designed for a lifestyle change. If you have just been completely off the rails and you know that if you go into big of a caloric deficit, you're going to end up being hungry and cranky and you're not going to be happy. If you are busy and if you don't have time to get to the gym, Prep Sweat Slay is good for you. It's very beginner friendly because this program comes with an at-home training guide, which has videos to support you. Don't let it fool you that it's at home because it's very effective. Will get a good quality workout from it, but it is a meal plan and training plan. You know which one is right for you because this plan is broken down by body mass index. So there is a BMI range of 18 to 24, 25 to 33 and 34 to 40. This program is available in original, vegan, and keto. I recommend this program for those of you who need convenience, who need help with meal prep, who just need something to get them going, and you know that if you go to extreme that you're probably going to end up slipping up. So this is a gentle transition into a healthy lifestyle. It's also good if you're just trying, if you've already shredded out and you just kind of want something to help you maintain your fat loss goal. Now, outside of the 6-week shred, 6-week budget shred, Prep Sweat Slay, the next offering we have is called the 30-day flex plan. Now, the 30-day flex plan is interesting because it combines a hybrid of approaches. This is our newest offering, and the 30-day flex plan is where you get a one-on-one phone call with myself, where we will consult over your macros, and then there are 4 options from there. So you can either get number 1, 30 days of access to our online nutrition app with customized macros. Option 2, 30 days of a custom fitness program. Option 3, a custom meal and training plan with a one-time upfront consult, but you do it yourself for 30 days. Or option 4, which is 30 days of online macro coaching and training for a total 30 days. With that program, you not only get your initial consultation with me where we go over your macros, you also have the ability, we will check in once a week on the phone, we'll discuss your progress, we will see how things are going and make adjustments. I will be doing a separate video more in depth on the Flex Plan to showcase the features of the app to get you guys a very high level overview of what it is and who it's for. So this program is good for those of you who do not like meal planning. For those of you who like the flexibility, because the Flex Plan is a set of macros, you track your macros, and it syncs in with our app with MyFitnessPal and Fitbit. So all of your macros that you are hitting or not hitting, I will be able to see. And it's great for those of you who need accountability, but you need a little bit of freedom, because if you follow a meal plan, you know yourself and you know you get bored easily and you want to just be able to track as you go. That plan is excellent for you. Now, the other service is custom meal plans. Now, we offer custom meal plans and custom training plans. Now, these programs are a little bit different because if you get a custom meal plan, you have to fill out a very detailed, I believe like 7-page questionnaire. This is where you say all of the things you like, all of the things you don't like, what your goals are, and what your food intolerances are, food aversions, as well as foods you like. Now, if you are a person with very selective nutritional needs, let's say you have a gluten intolerance and you're a vegan and you can't eat soy and you just don't know what you should be eating, or if you just want an actual blueprint and guide, this program is excellent for you. So the way this process works, because it's custom, we need a little bit more time to build your plan, so you will not receive this immediately. The way it works is you purchase your program. After you purchase your program, you get a link in your email to fill out a detailed questionnaire. Once you fill out the detailed questionnaire, a member from our team will contact you within 3 to 5 business days, and we will go over the questionnaire with you on the phone just to make sure that we are 100% clear about what it is you want. During that initial phone call with one of our certified nutritionists, they will calculate your macros for you, make sure that you're on the same page with what you want to do. From there, your customized meal plan will be built. Everything is done manually. These are not spit out by a computer. It's done by a person who listens to you, who reads what you say you want. If there's specific menus or grocery items or brands or any of those types of things, this is where we take that into account. So if you're a person who has very selective needs, but you know what you want, but you just need to see it organized with the macros, budgeted out and figured out for you, this is right for you. Now, you can get a customized meal plan by itself. Now, if you get it by itself, just know that that does not come with online coaching. So you don't really have anybody to be bouncing questions off of and texting with. If you find that you need support, you want someone to check on you every week, you want somebody to ask questions, you may need adjustments, then you can get online coaching. Online coaching is an upgrade of the customized meal plan. However, you get a check-in phone call every week and text access to your coach. I'm a coach, and we also have gaugegirl training certified nutritionists who will coach you. There are two different prices. My prices are at a different tier compared to the nutritionist just due to availability. So if you're on a budget, but you want to work with Gauge Girl Training and you trust our methods, please note that our certified nutritionists have been trained by me. They are just as capable as I am as doing everything that you need. However, if you do want to work with me one-on-one, you certainly can, but I have limited availability, so that's the reason for that price difference. So that's a very high-level overview. We also have training programs. We have training programs by body type. I do not offer meal plans by body type. If you have watched my body type series on YouTube, you will know that there are different things that you can do based off of your body type to support your fat loss goals. Now with this, what you guys need to keep in mind is that it's challenging to make meal plans based off of each body type. And the reason I say that is because there is a little bit more than just one's body type that we take into account when building a custom meal plan. So for that reason, I don't necessarily offer meal plans by body type at this point. So you can get a complimentary body type assessment. You can pair the body type training plan with any program. They are for the mesomorph, ectomorph, and endomorph. If you want to know your body type, email us bodytype@gaugegirltraining.com. We have two styles of program. We have one that's a 30-day program, and it's priced as such. And we also have a 12-week program. The 12-week program has a new workout every 4 weeks. And that's available in beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Now, the difference between beginner, intermediate, and advanced, do not let the word beginner fool you, because beginner does not necessarily mean it's easy. Beginner is for somebody who has not been consistent in the gym for about 6 months, or if you haven't been consistent more than 6 months. So under 6 months, that's you. Now, you could have been a fitness competitor, you could have been a track star when you were in high school or in college. Beginner is still challenging. So don't think that, you've been working out for a little bit and you're a pro. And this is not to insult anybody, but it's just to kind of calibrate you to that level. So if you haven't been in the gym longer than 6 months, stick to the beginner level. Or if you just don't have a lot of time that you want to commit, you just want to get a good workout in, and you only really want to work out 3 to 4 times a week, stick to the beginner level. Intermediate is for somebody who's been in the gym consistently for about a year, year and a half. You know what you're doing, you want a challenge, you don't want to really be in there 3 to 4 times a week, you're ready to step it up and be there consistently about 4 or 5 times a week, and you are in a groove, you're consistent. This is for you, intermediate. Advanced is for somebody who's been in the gym at least a year and a half to 2 years. You may be a professional athlete, you may be a fitness competitor. The advanced program is advanced. It is very challenging. It takes more of a time commitment, and it's for those who are extremely serious. You're ready to go to the gym 6 days a week and maybe even 7 days a week, depending on who you are. I do have some people who are no days off, and that works for certain people, but it doesn't work for everybody. So that's what that program is for. Now, there are some other specialty programs on gaugegirltraining.com. One of those is Lean Gains. Lean Gains is a do-it-yourself meal plan and training plan based off of your body type. Now, what Lean Gains is a program to support gaining lean muscle mass. Lean Gains will have you in a caloric surplus. So that's available for ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. This is an excellent program for those of you who are looking to go into an off season, for those of you who want to gain muscle mass. Note that if you are gaining muscle mass, you will gain weight. The Lean Gains program has, I believe, about 23 menus. It's an amazing program, got a lot of really awesome recipes. And this is typically most popular in the off season, but let's say you've shredded down to your goal and you're happy with your body fat percentage, but now you want to add muscle, but keep your body fat percentage low. Lean Gains is excellent for you. And last but not least, the last program I want to highlight and feature here today is our low carb, high fat protocol. The low carb, high fat protocol is a meal plan. It is a meal plan that has 3 phases. Now, there's phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Each phase has a different level of fats to carbs. So phase 3 of the low carb, high fat protocol is a ketogenic diet. However, I find that some people, before they want to go on a ketogenic diet, which is a nutrition protocol that allows your body to use healthy fats for fuel, sometimes people need to ease into that and they need to get used to increasing their fats and dropping their carbs. So phase 1 has moderately high fat and it's starting to get low carb. The next phase is low carb and slightly higher fat, and then the last phase is keto. So this plan is great because I find some people when they're on keto, they like keto, but they want to eat a little bit more protein and just have a touch more carbs. And there are over 270 menus in this plan. This plan is amazing. It has tons and tons of recipes for every phase. Some of our most creative recipes are in this protocol. It has been probably the #1 bestseller of 2017. It's an incredible program, still is to this day. And that plan is great for you if you want to explore keto without having to commit to keto. So I would recommend that program for you. So if you guys have any other questions about our products and services, please comment below and I'd be happy to clarify. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.